Can't send messages in the X app? Let's fix the DM problem quickly and easily today. Open the X app on your mobile phone and go to the Messages section first. Try sending a direct message to check if the issue still appears. If you see a failed message error, don't worry, because this is usually easy to fix. First, check your internet connection on the mobile phone carefully. Weak internet can stop direct messages from loading or sending properly. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Now reopen the X app and test the Messages feature again. If the problem continues, go to your phone's settings menu. Open the App section where all installed apps are listed. Find the X app from the list and tap on it. Inside the app settings, tap the Force Stop option. This refreshes the app and fixes many temporary issues automatically. Now, reopen the X app again on your mobile phone. Go back to the Messages section and test the DMs again. If messages still do not work, clear the app cache next. Open Storage Settings for the X app carefully. Tap the Clear Cache button to remove temporary files. Corrupted cache files often cause messaging problems inside apps. Once the cache is cleared, restart the X app again. You can also try signing out from your account completely. After signing out, sign back into your X account normally. This refreshes your account connection with the app servers. Now open the privacy and safety settings inside the X app. Check your direct message permissions carefully in settings. Make sure message requests and messaging permissions are enabled. Save any changes before leaving the settings page. Now return to your direct messages inbox again. Try sending a new message to any contact on X. If the message sends successfully, your issue is now fixed. Your direct messages should now work normally without errors. Always keep the X app updated to the latest version available. This helps prevent bugs and messaging issues in the future. And that's how to fix direct messages not working in the X app easily.